Hello, doggy. Hi.
What are you looking at?
Oh, hey, Allie. I was just looking at Doug the Pug. Have you heard of him?
Yeah, isn't he that fat pug always eating pizza?
He's like the cutest pug.
I'm sorry, what?
Well, he's not the cutest.
You just said he was the cutest.
Look at, he's got a pumpkin costume on.
He's an idiot. Did you like his photos then?
I like some of his photos, yeah.
Oh, great. That's really great. Well done.
Can I not like another pug's photos?
I just don't think it's very appropriate, and you should block him.
Really? You want me to block him?
Yeah, I want you to block him. I'm going to kick his fat, stupid head in.
No, you are not going to hurt Doug the Pug. You will not.
All right, where does he live? That two-eyed bastard!
I am not telling you where he lives. Oliver, stop!
Not until you block him. Oh, I'm going to judo chop him right in the face!